Hello and welcome to BonBonB Plays SubNautica. I'm BonBonB, you're very, very welcome. Right, we're getting hungry, so what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to take a little bit of food. I've got a couple of fish that I've caught. I feel they probably need cooking before they go in off, I imagine. But as I don't have a stove, there is always the possibility that our replicator will actually make us some food. Sustenance. Yeah, we'll have some cooked.
Continued degradation of the Aurora's drive core may result in a quantum detonation. Continuing to monitor.
Yeah, we probably don't want to go too close to that. Right, so alright, so hang on, we do have a bladderfish. We have a peeper. Let's grab a peeper over here. Right, so we can come out of that now, I think. Come back over here. Sustenance. Now we have one of those, thank you very much, and we might just eat that.
The fabricator cooks small organisms while disposing of the skeletal structure, bodily fluids, and internal organs, thus rendering them safe for human consumption.
Well, that's good. At least they're not going to choke on a what's the word I'm looking for? Fish bone. Oh, no, that's it. That's the one. This one here. Well, that was some food. That helped a bit. I didn't notice what we were before, but we're a little bit higher now. Let's get our stabby stab out. Hello, can I grab you? Is that all right? Not sure if we can eat you, but don't like you. You can bugger off. Right, he didn't like that. Also, right-clicking is better than left-clicking, because left-clicking does nothing. Remember, right-click is stabby stab. Left-click is get attacked by a big sharky type thing. And, swim through the hole. Oh, so much fun. Right, okay. These are we've got loads of acid mushrooms. Table coral, what does that do? I've no idea. Oh, hello. You came back for more, did you? You came back for more. Right, I've got to be aware that these buggers come back for more.
Oxygen.
Yes, sorry. I don't want to die. Not again. Not so soon. You coming at me then, are you? Well, you would be making a mistake. Okay, let's get inside. He's being a bit of a pest, that one. Right, okay, let's use the fabricator. Can we cooked boomerang? Why not? Right, okay, now we can eat said cooked boomerang by looking away from there. Cooked boomerang has been munched. Let's push this up a bit. Right, we're going to need a water filter at some point. Fabricator. We still... Oh, we need to go cave swimming. Now, where was the cave? Will you leave me alone, you bloody thing? Apparently he's not going to leave me alone. I'm doing my best to scare him off, but he's a bit persistent, that bugger. Right, there's the caves. Up. Air. Need some air, thank you. And let's go down and get a little bit of an explore going on with a cave, because caves are a place. Cave sulfur is what I'm after. Shit. Yeah, they not being very friendly. I died again, it would seem. Which is... I died. Again. Right, we need to sort this out. We need to sort... Oh, go away. Leave me alone. You are not my friend. Right, we need to get down to a cave. We need to find some cave sulfur. I don't know what cave sulfur is, but we need it. We need it, and we want it. We'll have some quartz. I don't know what that was either. Right. Back up to air. Back up to air. Please, 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 please. There must be oxygen tanks in this game because I am not getting very fast, am I? What the hell is that? Oh, it's him again. I don't know where he went. Oh, he's over there. Okay. This is not going to be a friendly game, is it? No. What am I looking for? I'm looking for cave sulfur. I don't know what that is.
New creature discovered.
And we've got a whole fish as well. Great, lovely. First of all, I don't like the fact that I'm out here in the dark. Have we got... Where's my... Let's get back inside somewhere that I know is safe. Keep away from those glowy gastropod things. Because they're not very friendly either. 55 metres, 50 metres. Hello, are you grabbable? That'd be great if you are. Apparently not. Okay, right. Let's get it back inside a second. I'm not doing so well. Right, sustenance. What have we got? We can cook. Hoverfish. Why not? A reptilian fish even. Ooh.
Disguising the flavour of unsavoury meats with salt or locally sourced herbs and spices.
Excellent. I will do that if I can find something herby or spice style. All right, let's munch away on one of those. That brought me back up. Food 23. We could use that. And we are looking healthy for the moment. Right, we need to use a repair tool. I need to cave sulfur. I'm sure cave sulfur is what we needed. So, right, we've got tools. Standard O2 tank. We can make an O2 tank. Oh, wow. Okay, now that is handy. Excellent.
Blueprint acquired.
Okay. Right, so we got one of those tools. Repair tool, cave sulfur, and silicon rubber. I think we got some silicon rubber. Can't remember where we got that from now though. Flashlight, be useful at night. Scanner, battery. Batteries require copper ore. Copper ore, pretty sure. Well, I don't know where copper ore is at all. Let's just start skirting around the place and see if we can't find anything. I'm not even sure if I'm using my I don't know what that does at all. Back up to the water. To the surface of the water. What the hell? He's just being a pain. There's two of them out there. There's two out there. I'm not having it. Let's go up to the top. Can we see them from up here? Probably not. But they can't see me either. Which is a bit of a relief. Is that sun rising? There. Oh, we have sunrise. Lovely. And we have motorbikes going past my window. Blimey, doesn't everything spin really quickly on this planet? Right, okay, so we have a bit of light coming. Okay, so... Oh, for God's sakes, leave me alone. Caves. Where was the caves? I should remember where the caves were. Oh, they just won't. Leave it. Leave off. Leave off. He didn't like that. He doesn't like it in the mush. Okay. Where is he? He's there. He's there. I don't think I can kill him with this. There's my problem, you see. Right, let's get away from me for the moment. He just won't leave me alone, will he? He just won't leave me alone. Stop freaking hunting me. Right, I'm just going to take a chance. I'm just going to take a chance and swim. Okay, he seems to have gone for now. That's good news. Let's get some more oxygen. My health is struggling though. Giant coral tubes are fascinating, but not what I'm after. There's your caves. Let's get some oxygen before we go down there. Alright. Let's have a little look through these not quite so deep ones first of all. What was that? Oh, break off limestone.
Is an essential
Copper!
component of all powered equipment.
Excellent.
Your
So
probability of survival has just increased to unlikely, but plausible.
well, thank you very much, Google. My health is... I'm going to have to go and use the first aid kit, I feel. Right, let's go back into the caves. Oh, God's sakes. He won't leave me alone. Right, okay, let's just swim for it. Apparently I can't swim for it. Perhaps it's because my health is too low, possibly. I'm just going to keep zigzagging. And let's get into here. Right, anyway, I've got copper now. That's good news. Somewhere around here I had let's fabricate a new first aid kit. Meanwhile, Let's use a first aid kit. Up to 75%. I will take that. That is not a disaster. I've got a lot of acid mushrooms going on here. I don't want any more acid mushrooms. Right, okay. Right. Back to the fabricator. What did we want? I don't even remember what we wanted. Battery, didn't we? We can make a battery.
Local radiation readings suggest the Aurora's drive core has reached critical state.
I think there's going to be an explosion.
Detonation will occur within 2 hours.
Right, so I don't want to go anywhere near...
New blueprint acquired.
Okay, personnel. Scanner! I've got a scanner. You haven't.
And to record alien biological data.
Okay. That can go into slot number 2. Knife can go into slot number 1. Okay. So now we know where those two things are. I'm going to switch between 1 and 2. I can scan things. Excellent. Let's go back outside for a little flute about here. Let's do some... Scanned. Good, good. Right, we'll have a little read of these in a minute, I think. Can we possibly scan one of these buggers? Why are you not logging in? Okay, that's not helpful. We'll get some oxygen. I was close to scanning you. What I want to do is I want to get a bit closer to you. Didn't work. Try again. Still haven't quite managed him. Back to the surface. Right, where is he gone? Big bugger, there he is. Hey you, buddy. Hold still. I got it. Excellent. I got it. I got it. Hey, I'm a hero. Now, what's next? Not so worried about those big... Them things there. They're too scary. I don't want to be playing with that. But you, on the other hand... Oi. Hold still long enough for me to blink in. Boomerang. We got a boomerang fish. Okay. Press tab to view. Okay, we'll do that. Is there... Our oxygen doesn't go down while we're looking at this. This is good. Okay. A herbivore. Serrated teeth suggests adaptation for grinding corals. Yeah. Usually these species' two fins are cartilaginous. Exactly. Anyway, yeah. They're less prone to damage, but right. Most active during daylight hours, prone to flee on approach. Boomerang can be easily observed at night. Luminescent. Blah blah blah. Plenty of things to be reading up on. Oh look, we can switch between things. Let's get some of that. What's that called again? Air. Oh hello. Don't think we can be able to scan those. We are too high up. Right. Anything else that we can... we can scan for you. We don't know what you are, do we? Look. Excellent. We got a rabbit ray as well. We're scanning for things. This is scanning times. Okay, now I think actually what we probably want though, we've done enough scanning. We are looking for, what do we want? we were wanting something. I don't remember what that something was. That's not very helpful. What's this? Ah, what the hell is this? Doesn't seem to be doing anything. But how about I scan it? Scan it and then get away from whatever is about to kill me. Okay, let's get away from whatever is about to kill me. I think now's a good time to hide back in my little armor shell. Oh, there's right. We're in. We're inside. Let's have a look what we. Yeah, that's what I was after. Inventories. We're carrying a lot of stuff. We've got some silicon rubber. Let's see if we can actually build. What do we need for repair tool? We need a repair tool, not sustenance. Personal tools. Repair tool. Right, so we're still looking for the cave sulfur. We've got some rubber. We have got some titanium. I'm sure we have. Basic materials. Titanium. Right, we've got some of that. And lubricant comes from that as well. That's good. Okay. Electronics. Well, we don't really need to worry about that right now. So we are still looking for the cave sulfur. Okay. Cave sulfur it is then. If that's all right with you. The clue is in the name. So all I've got to do is come back over to these caves. Go for a little scurry down there. Hopefully not attract any attention from those evil beggars that just want to eat me. Sharks things. I know they're not sharks, but we'll call them sharks. What's that? Pick up cave sulfur. I got cave sulfur. I got the cave sulfur. Right, so cave sulfur is in those red bits. Yeah? Did you see that? That's what that was. We've got enough oxygen here to survive while I just have a little scoot around here. Anything around here I can salvage.
30 seconds.
Okay, let's take that as a hint. It's getting dark again. The daylight cycle is really fast. Super duper fast. Okay, right. So we want to get back into our flotation fiddly. And with this, we should have enough now to fix... Ooh, nice pop in. Okay, we should have enough now to be able to make our repair tool. And maybe fix our capsule. That'd be exciting, wouldn't it? Do you think? I think so. And we're getting close towards the end of the episode as well, which is convenient. And back inside. Right, hello. No. Oops. Didn't really want to hit that. Right, okay. Fabricator. Personal. Tools. Repair tool. Guess what I've got? I've got a repair tool. What's... Okay, so that's equipment. Anything else we can make here? We are rocking and rolling here. Right, so floating air pump. Pump air into places. That's the starting point for a pipe chain. Is this for if I'm making sort of like my own base, maybe? Chain of pipes. Fire extinguisher extinguishes flames. Well, we haven't got any flames right now. And we have got a fire extinguisher. So I think we're okay with that. We've got some stuff here. Some new stuff that I picked up. Probably need to do something with it. But right now, use repair tool. We have one of those. Oh, it's in slot 3. It's ready placed in slot 3. Are you ready? Here we go. Repair time. Oh, look. I could have done that by hand.
Systems online. Running full environment diagnostic and outputting results to databank.
Cool. That looks like it needs fixing. Oh, look. And we've got a message. I think we should play the message. Okay. Sit tight. Here comes the message.
Radio online.
This is Aurora. Distress signal received.
Emergency. A
Rescue
quantum
operation
detonation
will be
has
dispatched
occurred
to
in
your
the Aurora
location in
drive
9,
core. The
9,
reactor will reach a
9,
supercritical
9,
state in T-minus 10,
hours.
9,
Continue to monitor for emergency
7,
transmissions from
6,
other life pods.
5, 4,
This
3, 2,
looks bad. Am I far enough away? Am I far enough? I better be. If I was supposed to salvage anything from that ship, it might now be too late. Just saying, okay?
new blueprint acquired. For your convenience, the radiation suit has been added to your blueprint database.
Cool. Good to know. Anyway, we were doing radio. Radio didn't really tell us anything, I don't think. I probably walked away while it was telling us. Self-scan. Okay, we'll do that.
Self-scan complete. Vital signs normal.
Yay.
Continuing to monitor.
Right, so it's night time again. Do you know what? I think at this point, let's get back in and say... Now's a good point to say thank you very much for watching, for commenting, for liking and for subscribing, for joining me for another SubNautica. Join me next time where we'll... Don't know, actually. I don't know what we need to do now. There might be other escape pods, I do believe, that we probably have to find. But also scanning things and surviving a bit longer. And, oh, finding some food and water. We're running low on water. We're going to need to filter some water. That's my next priority. That's it. I've been BonBonB. You've been very, very welcome. And I will see you very, very soon.